All right, Tubesters, in 2 bits. Y'all see what we're working on. Y'all see what he's working on. What's in the lab? What's in the lab? Everybody want to know what's in the lab. So we got this old clean regal with a super nasty color here. And of course he on them hibachis. Got them hibachis, man. I couldn't talk them out of them. But you know what? I can't see it from my house, so hey. So on this one here, man, we got a big plan for this one. He already got the vintage air installed. He got the Terminator X Max, what he got running his engine. He got a floor shifter and all of that. So this old Regal, man, he decided to not go with the roll cage and the anti-roll and all of that stuff, man. I don't know who he let talk him into needing this stuff, but you don't really need that in this thing here, man. Climbing in and climbing out of this doggone car, man. The car too nice to have all of that.
He said car too nice.
So I called my boy Mr. T. Mr. T to the rescue on this one. He finna finish cutting this thing out. So of course it come in pieces. I don't know why they figure like we really wanna and have the time to put your car together. Oh my goodness. That's half of the roll cage that came out right there. That's half of it. You need to paint the top of it. So yeah, now we'll be able to put a headliner in it. We got the old Regal seats here. OG body seats. Boy, these things look like they're gonna be gold. I think I'm gonna do them and put them up for sale. What y'all think? I think I'm gonna redo these suckers and put them up for sale, man. So like you say, man, we slowly getting this car together, man, getting the bolts and stuff, seeing what's all needed. They'll be able to help them out a little bit. You know, like you say, I really don't like going behind other people and trying to find all of the bolts and nuts and stuff to get this stuff here to work. But I'm going to help my boy Rob out on this one without us doing the full build. But you see he got that waffle maker up there. You see he got that waffle maker. That old LT4. And a ton of wiring here. For what? I ain't sure. Gotta find wiper arm, wiper motor. Headlights. Is the headlight switch? Headlight switch. He ain't even got wiring under here, man. You got a ton of wiring here that's got to be figured out. So, I can't call nobody but Hack on this one. He got to figure the rest of that stuff out for me.
On which one?
On this here. It looked like he got power windows in there.
Yeah.
He got power locks. Yeah, he got power locks. But he need all of the trim to go around here. All of the trim that hold the weather stripping. Clean car though. That's all we got. That's all we got, but they ready to ride. That's all we got, but we ready to ride. Everybody in a hurry to hurry up and wait. That's out of there. Ants and shit.
2 more.
2 more?
2 more.
Will you cut them from the bottom?
No, right here.
Okay. You see, got some QA1s. Yeah, QA1s. You got to get this thing out the air. I need a help with a name on this one. I don't know what we gonna call this one. That's a nice color though. Wait till you see what we do with this interior. We got a nice color we picked out for it, man. We picked out a nice honey color. Kind of match with the wheels and stuff like that, so. We're gonna put it on together, but I do need help with a name. What does color remind you of? What does color remind you of, T?
A Smurf.
Damn, I don't think we can call him Papa Smurf. We need a cool name. I need help, man. Somebody give me a cool name to fit with this regal here. It can't be the illegal regal. I done heard that before. Once we get that roll cage out, man, we'll get the seats in, start making some seat mounts, fabbing up for a headliner. We need all of the trim pieces, factory door panels to get the metal off of. Oh man, we just getting a list and a list and a list of things that's going to be needed to even attempt to start putting this thing here together. To even make an attempt. So I'm gonna start writing down a list, man, and I'm gonna see how big of a hurry he is to get this thing rolling. So in the meantime, in between time, catch me on the flip side.